For this video, I'm going to do an unboxing and a review of the original Squishmallows, all about Squish collection stationery. I don't know what you would call this. We did got this at Costco. That's the only place I've seen them. I haven't seen it anywhere else. If you have, please put it in the comments below if you have. And we got Meat Carl, which is a hamburger, and Meat Beulah, which is, I think it's a squid. I could be wrong. Yeah, Meat Beulah. So basically it has the same things, but different characters, right? Yes. Am I wrong? Am I right? Okay. It includes a clip folio, a plush character pouch, plush activity journal, 10 jumbo doodle sheets, 5 gel pen and mechanical pencil, mini mini memo pad, 3 decorative tapes, pocket 3-sheet doodle pad. This is a pocket folder. This is pocket, like a pocket folder doodle pad, sticky notepad, 5 collector sheets, 3 jumbo vinyl stickers, 35 deluxe puffy stickers, 2 character clips, and 1,200 and plus stickers. And this seems to be blank. I don't know if you could color these or not. That includes the stickers. All of these is 1,200 stickers individual. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like 7 sheets, 8 sheets. Okay. Right here, I already opened it on this side. Let me take it out from the side. Hold on a minute. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so here, the big sheet of paper. The big sheets of the 1,200 sheets stickers. So it has this little tiny one, the character one, the big character, and the mini ones. All of these, I'm guessing they're all the Squishmallows that you can find. Tiny ones. I'm gonna glance at it just for you to see. Then you have your bigger stickers. Then your mini tiny ones. There it is. It looks like it's 3 sheets, but I'll open it in a second. Okay, the next thing here is your little memo pad, mini memo pad. It's white or blank. This is your, these two include the deluxe puffy stickers and the sticker collector sheets. So it's the sheets right on the bottom that we can see right here. For this one, we have purple, lavender. That's the same thing. Lavender, turquoise, reddish, orange, and your white sticky pads, paper. Your big clip folio. Now this looks like it's one of those hard cardboard ones. It has the little elastic thing. The clip, it is metal. Once you open it, it has the pocket. This is paper, so it could easily be ripped if this is not. I don't think this is good for a 3-year-old and under. Here is the sheet doodle pad. I like it. Look, it has these little things here. Then it has the plush activity journal. And the activity journal has some texture to it. It's like blanket. Did I saw a thing? An original Squishmallow separator thing, bookmark. The inside is pink. And let me see if it's, oh my gosh, yes it does. So you have a line paper. You have a column and this. Then you have a list. So like each page differs, so that's really nice. Right here it has more stickers. Yes, this is the ones I was saying. Look, this is for you to color your own way kind of stickers. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets, and that's the first sheet. Then that one feeling, then the tiny ones, and then your heart ones. Right here is the to-do list or sticky notepad. This one just, I think it's all the same. Yep, all the same. Then you have your other sticky notepad, and that's the figure. I'm thinking this is a, what do you call these? One of those sleepy dudes. And then your 3 decorated tapes. It doesn't have much tape. Focus camera. Well, it doesn't have a lot. And these are your 3 designs. Come on. There you go. Yep. There is that. This one's nice. Look at the pug. Then right over here, these are your jumbo stickers. Everything's so secure. Okay. These are your big jumbo stickers. It has a cat, an owl or a bird, and then the little squid or octopus, whatever that is. My God, so much saved. Me working with one hand. These are your glitter gel pens, not glitter, they're calling them gel pens. And you have your primary colors, I'm guessing pink, purple, well, that's not primary. Pink, purple, orange, green, and turquoise or blue. Then you have your mechanical pencil right on this side. And this is how your mechanical pencil looks like. It has pink and all the little characters on the side. It has some lead, but it doesn't include more lead. Only the one that it has. These are the 2 character clips. It has a little squid one. Now this part is like silicone, and it's like only stuck, I believe. If it comes out, it's forever gone, because it has like a different mechanism to the clip right on the top. It's not like you can clip it on the other side. That's the squid, the main character of this box, and then it has a little fox. And then of course it has the plush character pouch. It includes a self-original Squismallow zipper thing. The inside looks like this, velvety, like this kind of thing. She's smiling. That's how the other side looks. Little squid. This feels like the actual Squishmallow plushes. This part. It doesn't only, like, I'm thinking this would be like a plushy thing, but it's not. This is not a Squishmallow plush. It has the texture only of it. Okay, that is for this one. And this is Meet Beulah, and this is Meet Carl. It has the same items. The only difference is the character, right? You have the burger and all of that. I'm gonna open it just for you to see the difference. That is how this one looks. Now, these are the sheet of stickers, the 1,200 stickers. We have like fast food, little mini stickers. Then we have our big one, this one, and this one. Now, these Squishmallows are the food Squishmallows, and these, the one we opened prior, is animals. Animal Squishmallow. Let me see. Let me open the top of the stickers. Behind the stickers is the big jumbo doodle sheets. Now these doodle sheets are all the same. wrong. It has two of each. Look at that's the brown, that's the red one. Then we have an orange pattern. Then we have a purple pattern, and it's two of each design. Then we have a blue one, and then we have the green one, looks like an ice cream. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of them. I didn't open the other one, but it's the same. It has the sheets of paper, and then on the other side it has the stickers. Now right here on the top it has the big jumbo stickers, the little sticky, not the sticky, the little notepad, memo pad, the puffy stickers, and the sticker sheets, the marshmallow, the hamburger, the notepad, the pencil, and the clips. Okay, these are the sticky pad, the puffy stickers, the portfolio or clip fold, the clip folio, Jesus, the rubber. This is not foily like the other one. That's metal. Look at the burrito, hamburger, and the fries. The burrito has the actual image of a tortilla, flour tortilla. That's the inside, this, and this is how the inside of the 30 sheet doodle pad looks. Once this doodle pad is finished, it's not like you can put another one. It's like you can put another one right inside. Look, you can slide this off. You see? You can slide it off and put a new one if you ran out of the sheets. Now, do they have ones? I don't know. Can you put your own? Probably yes. Jeez, it's so hard to do it with one hand. Okay, there's that. This is the plush activity journal. And that's how the inside looks, just like the other one. Each page is different. Just like that. Our doodle sheets of the stickers. The takeout notes are 3 tapes. My favorite one is this one. And on this case we have a little, there's calling sticky notepads, but well, I guess it is. This part is sticky. There, it's a pineapple. Yes. Look at that s'more. And that is all that includes on this part. Like, this is the same, like I showed you the same texture over there. We have the hamburger in this case and a strawberry. Our colors are different: red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Now these are kind of primary colors. And our plushie, our Squismallow hamburger pencil pouch, or plush character pouch. The pencil, the lead pencil, it does not include extra lead. Whatever you have in there is what you get. You're gonna have to buy more. That's the little sticky, or not the sticky, the notepad, and the big jumbo stickers. Jesus Christ, it's too hard to take out, but that's how this part of it. Yeah, it was $27. I didn't get it on sale. I haven't seen it on sale at Costco. I don't think it ever has been on sale, but you never know. You might find it on sale if you walk one time. Is it worth the $27? I would put it for $15, but if you count each item, it has a pretty good amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for the sheets, 9 the stickers, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 items, so it's giving about $1 each item. if you like $1 each little item, $27 for these. I would go for 15 because if you think about it, this is $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's what I will put it, but I'm cheap. Anyways, that is all for today's video. Hopefully you like this unboxing and review of the original Squishmallows All About Squish collection. Stationery, I don't know what you will call it. It's All About Squish collection. What collection? Stationery. Meet Carl, Meet Beulah. They also had like an avocado one and some other ones. I can't remember. But yeah, this is at Costco. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. If you like this kinds of video, please click subscribe. Comment down below if you have seen these things anywhere else besides Costco. And yeah, on my choice, I would have got this cat, but that cat wasn't there. But yeah, that is all for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.